Hey everybody, welcome to the Wolf Pit. Today we're going to make Ritz Pushcart hot dog bites. All the flavor of a full-size hot dog from a pushcart street vendor packed on top of one cracker. Grilled hot dogs, caramelized onions, and yellow mustard. So let's get started. Let's get started by sauteing some onions. Once they begin to caramelize, I'm going to add sugar, chili powder, hot sauce, ketchup, and water. Bring this up to a simmer and continue cooking for 10 minutes with the lid off until it's nice and thick. Once it's nice and thick, set it aside. Now I'm going to pan fry hot dogs until they're nice and golden brown. Now I'm going to drain these on paper towels and begin to build our hot dog bites. Now each cracker is going to get a piece of hot dog, a little dollop of the delicious caramelized onions, and of course the mandatory condiment, yellow mustard. There you have it, Ritz Pushcart hot dog bites. These little guys will make you think you're eating a hot dog at the ball game. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you give these a try, and we'll see you next time.